Good afternoon, this is Ryan with Kendall Honda Acura here in Eugene. Today we're going to be going over some of the basics on the 2021 Pilot Black Edition's built-in navigation system. So first, let's learn how to save your current location in as a point that you can then return to. So we're going to hit navigation. It's going to load in. You're going to hit this little circular button with the three small circles. It looks kind of like a traffic light. And then you're going to hit where am I after that. This is going to bring up a set of coordinates and an address, nearest address to where you are. You're going to want to hit save from there. And this is going to allow you to type it in. So we're going to save this as Kendall Honda, because that's where we are today. And then hit done when you're done. And it is now currently saved in your places. Now to access that, it's relatively easy. You just hit back. You're going to hit where to. You're going to go to saved. And it's right there as Kendall Honda. Okay, so now that we have our first favorite location saved, let's save a whole search. Most of us enjoy Starbucks or some form of coffee, so let's get that in there. We're going to hit where to. This is going to bring up your basic interface. From there, you're going to scroll up to add shortcut. We're going to hit that. We're going to hit favorite search. And this is going to allow us to enter in anything we want to search for. So let's do that Starbucks we were talking about. Just hit done when you're done. And that's going to save that in as a search right there. If you just click on that, it's going to bring up all the Starbucks within a range of view, which you can then extend out and see everything nearby.
Kendall, let's start something great.